In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a video to your PowerPoint presentation. If you've ever found yourself wanting to enhance your slides with more dynamic content, this guide is perfect for you. We're going to take a simple, straightforward journey, ensuring that by the end, you'll be able to effortlessly incorporate videos into your presentations, making them more engaging and informative. Let's get started by opening up your PowerPoint presentation file. You can do this by navigating to where it's saved on your computer, double-clicking on the file, and waiting for it to load. Once you have your presentation open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu where you can see various tabs that help you modify your presentation. In this case, look for the Insert tab, which is generally located towards the middle of the menu bar. This is a powerful section in PowerPoint where you can add diverse elements like images, shapes, and most importantly, videos. Once you're in the Insert tab, you're going to want to look toward the far right corner where you'll find the Video button nestled under the Media options. When you hover your cursor over it, you'll notice there are a couple of options available, mainly to include a video from your device or directly from the internet. For today's demonstration, I'll guide you through inserting online videos. However, the steps are very similar if you choose to upload videos from your own device. Click Video and then select Online Videos from the drop-down menu that appears. After selecting this, a prompt will likely pop up asking you to enter the URL of the video you wish to include in your presentation. Simply copy the URL of your desired video and paste it into the designated box. PowerPoint is quite flexible here, allowing you to incorporate a range of video sources. After you've confirmed the link is correctly placed, click Insert. This step is crucial as it imports your video, embedding it directly into your presentation slide. It's truly as simple as a few clicks. After you hit Insert, a placeholder will appear on your slide, showing that the video has successfully been added. You can now adjust the size and position of the video by clicking and dragging the corners or edges, aligning it perfectly with your slide's layout. That's it. You're all done. By following these easy steps, you've managed to add an online video to your PowerPoint presentation, opening a whole new world of possibilities for engaging your audience. Whether you aim to provide additional insights, showcase a tutorial, or simply add flair with multimedia, you're now equipped to do so with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher. Have a great day and happy presenting.